I was born at a maternity home here in Kansas City called the Willows.
I would guess that every person denying me information has their information. How would they like to die never knowing who they looked like, where they came from, where was their home country, Ireland or England or Germany or Sweden? Why does it matter to anyone else? It's my information. I want it. It's my life.
Carolyn and her friend Ina, 75 years young, went together to the Family Justice Center to try to get their original records. Right off the bat, the situation felt different than Kansas. There was security, metal detectors, and because of my camera, instead of a public counter, Ina and Carolyn would have to be in a private office. The state staff were very nice, but the closed record system made it impossible for them to help these two senior citizens.
I would like to get all my records.
We don't hold those original birth certificates. They're held in Jeff City, and they're not set up to release those out, nor does the law really specifically allow them to do it. That's not something that you can get as your original birth certificate. It sounds like you've gone through the whole process of the non-identifying and the identifying as well.
I haven't gone through
but the birth mother.
The birth mother is deceased, yes.
And what Missouri law says is the biological parent has to consent for us to give out.
Why would that still be relevant if we can prove that they're deceased?
Because that's just Missouri law. It says we have to have consent. We can't change Missouri law. It's not tailor-made for every situation, and that, and we wish we could.
It's really a shame for us older folks.
I know it is.
It's something that.
Go to your legislator.
Honey, we've been doing that.
We'll go again.
With their birth mother's consent an absolute impossibility, Ina and Carolyn left the office, knowing they'd never be able to have their birth certificates. This was devastating to them, and no doubt awkward for the state administrator, who had the unenjoyable task of saying no.